Guys, welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a classic and interview favorite problem, that is valid palindrome. So let's dive in. So the problem statement here says that we have given a string, determine if it's a palindrome, considering only alphanumeric character by ignoring cases. Right. So a string is palindrome only if it reads same backward as forward. Okay. But here's the twist that we have to ignore the spaces, punctuation, and case sensitivity. Okay. So if we do the same logic over this particular string, so it will be return as a true, because as you see that the string is becoming like this only. So if we read from the left or the right, it would be same only. But for this case, if we remove everything, like here only the space is there, so the string will be look like this only. And if we read from the backward and forward, it wouldn't be same. That's why it's not a palindrome. Okay. So the approach I am going to use here, that first I will filter out all the alphanumeric character from the string. Secondly, I am going to convert everything to the lowercase. And finally, I will check if the process string is same as the forward and backward. Okay. So let's write the code. So we'll start with the first step. First step will be have to filter out. I will use string builder here. Name it as filter equal to new string builder, right? And after that, what I have to do, I have to iterate over the string. So for char c s dot to char array, right? Now I have to check that if it's other than the character. So I will put a condition over here. If character dot is letter or digit, because we need only alphanumeric, then only we are going to put it inside it. Append character to lower also, lowercase. Put everything in lowercase only. Fine. This is our first step. Now in the second step, what we are going to do, I have to check if it's a palindrome or not. Fine. So we'll take one string, filter str, okay, and filter dot, I converted it into the string now. Right. Now what I have to do, I have to reverse this all. So I'm just copy and pasting it. That filter dot reverse, and name it as rev. Right. Now what I have to do, return filter str dot eq equals that. Okay. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to log in, and now it's done, and I have to run it. Okay, it's got accepted. Let me submit it. Okay, it got accepted. Right. So let me explain what's happening here. We have used a string builder. Okay, here as you see that I've used this string builder. So it's to filter out only the letter and number and ignoring the punctuation and the spaces. Then did that. I've converted everything to the lowercase using character dot lowercase, right? And then we reverse the filter string and check if it matched to original. Okay, and using that we have finalized that it's whatever the string we are getting, it's a valid or not. Okay, and if you want to optimize it further, you can use a two pointer approach also instead of reversing the string. This reduce the space complexity, but we will cover it in another video. For now, the solution is clean, readable, and beginner friendly. So, if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to BiharGeeks, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for update on more awesome coding tutorials. Okay, for then till now, keep coding, keep rocking, and stay awesome. Bye bye.